Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today topic is CI/CD pipeline automation with Jenkins. In CI/CD pipeline automation, we have 5 stages. In continuous integration, step 1 continuous download, step 2 continuous build, step 3 continuous deployment, and step 4 continuous testing. In the same way, continuous delivery contains 5th stage and we use here continuous delivery. In our CI/CD pipeline architecture, the requirements are GitHub account, development server, QA server or testing server, and the last one is production server. And we are deploying our server in AWS account. This is our architecture. Let's jump to our AWS. Here I already have created these 3 servers and deployed it. Let's go to dev server and connect. I'm starting Jenkins from here. Let's copy the public IP address. Sign in Jenkins. In Jenkins dashboard, we have not created any job. Create a new job. Here I am going to create a development job with freestyle project. Click on OK. Here's our development job. Here I am providing my GitHub repository URL. This is the continuous download. Let's apply and save it. Build now. Here we got no errors. We can see our console output finish success. So go to our development section, again configure it. For continuous build, we have to move to 8 build steps and we have to choose invoke top level Maven targets. Our goal is package, apply and save it. Click on build now. Here we can see in console output continuous build is also success. So let's go to our job, configure it, and for deployment we have to go to add post build action and choose deploy var AR to a container. Here we are using container. We have to provide a var AR files, so I am providing here. Context path QA-env. Let's choose our container. I am using here Tomcat 9. Here in Tomcat 9 we have already installed Tomcat in QA server. There we have already provided username and password. So we have to add our username and password for the connection of Tomcat from here. I have already added here. Choosing my username and password for the Tomcat. Here we have to provide the QA instance public IP. In QA instance, choose the public IP. I'm pasting here and providing the port number 8080 in which Tomcat is deployed. Let's save it. Build now. After build, here I am pasting the QA server IP address h0/QANV and click on. Here we can see our Java calculator. This is the process of continuous deployment. Then we want to go for the new job, that is the testing job. So create new item. Here testing freestyle project, click on OK. For testing we need the Selenium codes, but I am not using here any Selenium codes. I am executing shell command. Here echo clean test and save it. Now we have two jobs, development job and testing job. Let's build this job. We get the success. What we want to trigger the testing job with the help of development job. Go to development, configure, then add post build action, and I want to build other projects. So we have to provide the project name, that is testing, and save it. So when we build development job, it will trigger the testing job also. We can find here that the second build is in pending and it is done. Now for continuous delivery, go to the development job. Here configure, choose add post build action, choose archive the artifacts. Then we have to provide the artifact. I have chosen my artifact extension, that is .war file. Just save it. Go to our testing job, configure, add build setup, choose here copy artifacts from another project. We have to provide the project name, that is development, and then add post build action and deploy var EAR to a container. Provide the var EAR file name. We have to provide context path, that is prod environment. Let's add container Tomcat 9. Here I have already added my username and password. Let's provide Tomcat URL. Go to instance. Here in prod instance we have to copy our public IP address and provide here. I am providing the port number in which Tomcat is deployed and save it. To make the automate, everything will trigger at once. So go to the dashboard. In testing we can see we have only 2 builds. In deployment we have 4 builds. Let's build it now. Here in deployment we have created one more build, 5th build. In testing, 3rd build is in continue process. 3rd build is completed without error. So we want to trigger the GitHub account continuously and built automatically. So go to the development section, configure. Here we want to build trigger and build periodically. Here I am providing building the artifact in a minute. Here the first star denotes the minutes section, second stars for hour, third for the date of month, fourth for the month, and fifth one is day of week. I am providing here star, which means it's for 1 minute. At each 1 minute it triggers our GitHub repository and provide the continuous build of the whole project. So save it. We can see here we have only 5 builds, and after 1 minute it will trigger the 6th build. So let's wait for the 6th build. We have to wait for the 1 minute. Yeah, now the 6th build is started. It starts automatically after 1 minute and it triggers the testing job. Here we can see that it's now fourth one build is also created here. So let's find out, does this project works continuously as we mentioned CI/CD automation or not. For that we are going to our GitHub account. Here in source code I am just going to change the code. I am going to edit it. In edit section I edit here Java calculator is working fine. We can see that in our production environment here we have Java calculator, and I have just changed it to Java calculator is working fine. Let's commit it. Yes, I have committed this. Let's check our dashboard. Go to the development section. We can see the 8th build is in process. After 8th build is completed, go to our prod environment and refresh it. We can see that Java calculator is working fine. In this way our CI/CD pipeline automation with Jenkins is completed.